Stunning ideas for elegant dog houses in your yard. Creating a pet-friendly environment in your yard is not only beneficial for your furry friend but can also enhance the overall outdoor decor of your home. A well-designed dog house not only provides a comfortable shelter for your canine companion but can also be a stylish addition to your landscaping. In this article, we will explore some stunning ideas for elegant dog houses that will elevate the aesthetic appeal of your yard while keeping your beloved pet happy and safe. Incorporate an elegant design. When it comes to designing a dog house, opt for an elegant and sophisticated style that complements the overall architecture of your home. Consider using high-quality materials such as wood or stone to create a luxurious look that seamlessly blends with your outdoor living space. Utilize outdoor decor. To make your dog house truly stand out, incorporate outdoor decor elements that match your yard's theme. Add potted plants, hanging baskets, or even a mini garden around the dog house to create a visually appealing and inviting atmosphere. Create dog-friendly landscaping. Incorporating dog-friendly landscaping around the dog house is essential for both aesthetics and your pet's enjoyment. Install pet-friendly artificial turf or gravel to create a designated area for your dog to play and relax. Adding a small water feature or a sandbox can provide additional sensory stimulation for your furry friend. Consider pet accessories. To enhance the elegance of your dog house, invest in high-quality pet accessories that provide both comfort and style. Choose plush bedding, stylish feeding bowls, and designer toys that match the overall theme of your yard. These accessories not only elevate the aesthetic appeal but also create a luxurious environment for your pet. Luxury dog houses. For those looking to go all out, luxury dog houses are the perfect addition to your yard. These extravagant structures often include features such as air conditioning, heating, and even outdoor patios. With intricate designs and premium materials, luxury dog houses not only provide maximum comfort but also become an eye-catching focal point of your outdoor space. By incorporating stunning ideas for elegant dog houses in your yard, you can create a pet-friendly and visually appealing environment that reflects your love for your furry friend. The right design, outdoor decor, landscaping, and pet accessories can transform a simple dog house into a luxurious haven for your canine companion. So, get creative and explore the endless possibilities of enhancing your yard's aesthetics while providing a comfortable and stylish abode for your beloved pet. Let your imagination soar and embark on a journey of home improvement that will leave both you and your dog delighted with the results.